Hello everyone. So I just got a couple quick updates for you. One regarding the Stellantis Windsor battery plant and one regarding Tesla pricing. So we'll start with the Windsor battery plant. So article here from Automotive News. Headline is Canada offers more money to Stellantis for EV battery plant. Ontario Premier Doug Ford says the province is offering more money in a bid to keep automaker Stellantis from pulling out of building an electric vehicle battery plant in Windsor, Ontario. Stellantis and LG Energy Solution announced last year that they were building the $5 billion plant, but have in recent days stopped construction and warned they were implementing contingency plans because the federal government hasn't lived up to an agreement. The CEOs of the two companies wrote last month to Prime Minister Justin Trudeau saying Ottawa had confirmed in writing 5 times that it would match production incentives under the United States Inflation Reduction Act, but has not delivered on those commitments. But the federal government has been pressuring Ontario to pitch in as well, saying the province also has to pay its fair share. Ford has said he is disappointed with how the federal government has handled the issue since the province didn't make those production subsidy commitments, but said he is working with officials in Ottawa. I will confirm we're putting more money on the table, he said after an unrelated announcement in St. Catharines, Ontario. This is all about saving jobs and giving people the quality of life they deserve in southwestern Ontario. The Premier wouldn't say how much in order to protect those jobs. So it sounds like it was as I expected. They saw the money that VW was getting and the comments that the federal government was going to match Inflation Reduction Act in the States. So they wanted, those funds to be matched for their project. Sounds like this may be happening now. So I guess good news for anyone who is potentially going to be working at the Windsor battery plant for Stellantis. Next, we got Tesla offering discounts of over $1,300 on some US Model 3 cars. Tesla is offering discounts of more than $1,300 on some Model 3 cars in its inventory, following even heavier discounts in Europe, according to Reuters' review of its website. At a time when the electric car maker has raised prices on most newly ordered cars this month. Tesla, which this year has aggressively cut vehicle prices in several regions, is resorting to the traditional automaker's tactic of offering incentives to clear inventory at a time when it faces economic headwinds and rising competition, industry analysts say. So Tesla appears to be cutting some prices on inventory Model 3s to potentially clear out some of their inventory. So not surprising, but more price changes from Tesla. We learned in the shareholder meeting that they're looking at orders daily and balancing supply and demand by adjusting pricing on an ongoing basis. So this is going to be business as usual for Tesla, constant price adjustments. So that's it for this one. My name's Evan Bertrand. This is the Evergreen channel. Give the video a like if you liked it. Subscribe by clicking on the wheel in the bottom right. And thanks for watching.